come from the Apla Awaz, the Apla Saki, well, the Atul Pardeshi, the Chief Editor, Apla Awaz, the News Network. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And now I would like to request Sangeeta ma'am, please come forward and felicitate Kiran ma'am. अरे वाह, क्या बात है, क्या बात है, थोड़ी तालियां हो जाए गाइस. Well, Sangeeta, the director, Apla Awaz, Apli Sakhi. Well, this is a small token of love from our side. Welcome all of you once again.